Hello students, let us continue exercise 9b, inverse variation. Two quantities A and B are said to be inversely if their product A into B remains constant. Example first. If 36 men can finish a piece of work in 25 days, how many days will 15 men take to do it? How many days will 15 men take to this work? Now we write 36 men can finish the work in 25 days. One man can finish this work more days, will be more days. More mean multiply. So write as 25 multiply 36 days. And 15 men can finish this work will be less time. Less mean divide. So we write 25 multiply 36 upon 15. And their calculation is 60 days. Hence, required number of days is 60. Next question, second. A contractor has workforce of 420 men who can finish a certain piece of work in 9 months. How many extra men must be employed to complete the job in 7 months? Now, to finish the work in 9 months, men required 420. To finish the work in 9 months, man requires 420. To finish the work in 1 month, to finish the work in 1 month, number of men will require more. Number of men will be required more. More mean multiply. More mean multiply. So we write 420 multiply 9. Now, to finish the work in 7 months, man required will be less. Less mean divide. 420 multiply 9 upon 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 6 is 42, 6 7 0 0, 60 multiply 9, 540. Hence, number of extra men required 540 minus 420. We get 120. Hence, number of extra men required 120. Example third. A garrison of 500 men had provision for 24 days. However, a reinforcement of 300 men arrived. For how many days will the food last? Now, new strength 500 plus 300, that is 800. For 500 men, there were provision for 24 days. For one man, there were food provision will be more days. So we write more mean multiply 24 multiply 500. 24 multiply 500 days. For 800, there were food provision will be soon exhaust. Less time. Less mean divide. So we write 500 multiply 24 upon 800. 0 0 cancel. 8 1 is 8. 8 3 is 24. 3 5 is 15. 15 days. Hence food will last now for 15 days. Now question number 1. Exercise 9b. If 18 men can dig a trench in 14 days, how long will 28 men can take a dig a similar trench? If 48 men can dig a trench equal to 14 days, then 1 man can dig a trench equal to 14 multiply 48. 1 man can dig a trench more days. More mean multiply. 1 man can dig a trench will be more time. More mean multiply. 14 multiply 48 days. Therefore, 28 men can dig a trench will be take less time. Will be take less time. Less mean divide. 14 multiply 48 upon 28. 14 1 जा 14, 14 2 जा 28, 2 1 जा 2, 2 जा 4, 2 4 जा 8, that is 24 days. This is your answer. Next question, second. If 16 men can reap a field in 30 days, how many men must be engaged to reap the same field in 24 days? Find the number of men. Now we write number of men to finish the work in 30 days equal to 16 men. Number of men to finish the work in 1 day. Number of men required to finish the work in 1 day will be more. More means multiply. 16 multiply 30 men. Number of men to finish the work in 24 days. Number of men to finish the work in 24 days take less time. Number of men to finish the work in 24 days, that is less number of men. Less means divide. 16 multiply 30 upon 24. 18 2 जा 16, 18 3 जा 24, 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3, 3 0 0. 10 2 जा 20, 10 2 जा 20, 20 men. Hence, number of men to finish the work in 24 days will require 20 men. Now do exercise 9B in your fair notebook. Thank you.